Hi, good afternoon. This is Brian Thomas with Industrial Safety Controls, and we're going to talk about lockout, tagout today, and not so much from the disconnect or the other sources of energy, from what you can do with a risk assessment and a risk reduction program. And what I've done is I've referenced the ISC standards for lockout, tagout, ANSI B11, and then NFPA 79. And actually in these two other standards, they both reference the lockout tagout standard, which so many other industry safety standards do as well. Part of that process is to mitigate the hazards associated with stored energy or active energy. In addition to the disconnect or the valve, we want to be able to do that in other areas based upon when people have to get into a machine area to do a jog or an inch or a setup mode or a teach mode where they do need energy to that machinery. And part of the control on that could be using other controls as described in the risk reduction program, such as emergency stop buttons or interlocks or two-hand controls or other types of devices. But what's special about the interlocks is that no one else makes an interlocking emergency stop device except for Reese, which is manufactured in Indiana, and we've been selling this product since 1988. And what it allows us to do is to put a lockout tagout device once the switch has been actuated. Back plate opens up, we reset the switch, we hit it, and we go from there. The other one would be a 22 millimeter. I've got it locked, got a couple different lockout tagout devices on here. This device is already set. This is spring loaded. We reset it. I can hit this thing but basically as hard as I want. I cannot feel that when I depress it. Allows us, it's integrated. It's not another cover or anything else on there. And then we have this monster of a switch here that we can probably beat with a hammer. All of these, honestly, we can beat for a hammer. And maybe we'll show you one of the videos of this being hit with basically a solid steel pipe repeatedly, and it just keeps smiling and laughing. But in saying all that, if you haven't gone through a risk reduction or a risk assessment which leads you to a risk reduction, and you need some assistance with that, reach out to us. You can find us on our website, industrialsafetycontrols.com. We can assist with that, and then we can assist with the components way beyond just the e-stops. There's all kinds of other products that we can assist you with to reduce your risk and protect your employees better. Thank you and have a great day.